Have you ever wondered how businesses grow, how governments fund their projects, or how individuals make their money work for them? The answer lies in a powerful, intricate, and ever-present force: finance.
At its core, finance is the study and management of money, investments, and other financial instruments. It's about how individuals, businesses, and governments acquire, allocate, and manage capital over time. Think of it as the bloodstream of the global economy, constantly flowing, constantly adapting, and constantly enabling growth and innovation.
While the concept might seem complex, its fundamental principles are remarkably intuitive. It's all about value, understanding what something is worth now, what it might be worth in the future, and how to make informed decisions to optimize that value. To truly grasp finance, it's helpful to break it down into its three primary branches: public finance, corporate finance, and personal finance. Each plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of economic activity. Public finance deals with the revenues and expenditures of government entities, from local municipalities to national treasuries. It's about how governments collect money, primarily through taxes, and how they spend it to provide public goods and services. Think about the roads you drive on, the schools your children attend, the national defense that protects us, or the healthcare systems that support communities. All of these are funded through public finance decisions.
Understanding public finance is crucial for citizens as it directly impacts their lives through taxation, public services, and the overall economic health of their nation.
Corporate finance focuses on the financial decisions that businesses make. It's about how companies raise capital, how they invest that capital to maximize shareholder wealth, and how they manage their day-to-day financial operations. This is the heartbeat of the private sector, fueling innovation, expansion, and job creation. Imagine a startup needing money to develop a new product, or a multinational corporation deciding whether to build a new factory. These are corporate finance decisions. Corporate finance is vital for the health and sustainability of individual businesses, and by extension, for the entire economy. It's where strategic vision meets financial prudence. Personal finance, arguably the most directly relevant to our daily lives, deals with the financial decisions and activities of individuals and households. It's about managing your money effectively to achieve your life goals.
From your first paycheck to planning for retirement, personal finance is about making conscious choices about how you earn, save, spend, and invest your money. It's about taking control of your financial future.
Mastering personal finance empowers individuals to achieve financial independence, build wealth, and navigate life's inevitable financial challenges with confidence. Regardless of the specific branch, certain fundamental concepts underpin all of finance. Time value of money. This is perhaps the most crucial concept. The time value of money states that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. Why? Because $1 today can be invested and earn a return, growing into a larger sum in the future. Inflation also erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Understanding time value of money helps in making investment decisions, evaluating loan options, and planning for future expenses. It's about understanding the power of compounding. Risk and return. Risk and return are intrinsically linked. Generally, higher potential returns come with higher risk. Conversely, lower risk investments typically offer lower potential returns. Investors must evaluate their risk tolerance and choose investments that align with their comfort level and financial goals. A savvy financial decision maker understands this trade-off. Diversification is the strategy of spreading your investments across various assets to reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, others might perform well, mitigating the overall impact on your portfolio. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, protecting your wealth from the volatility of any single investment. Finance operates within a vast ecosystem of markets and institutions. Financial markets, like stock exchanges and bond markets, facilitate the buying and selling of financial assets. Financial institutions, such as banks, credit unions, investment firms, and insurance companies, act as intermediaries, connecting savers with borrowers and providing a wide range of financial services. They are the conduits through which money flows and financial decisions are executed. Finance is not static. It's a dynamic field, constantly evolving with technological advancements and global economic shifts. The rise of fintech, financial technology, cryptocurrencies, artificial intelligence, and big data are revolutionizing how we interact with money and investments. These innovations are making finance more accessible, efficient, and personalized, but they bring new challenges and considerations for regulation and risk management. Understanding finance is not just for economists or Wall Street professionals, it's a fundamental life skill. For individuals, it's the path to financial freedom and security. For businesses, it's the blueprint for growth and sustainability. For governments, it's the mechanism for societal progress and stability. Finance empowers us to make informed decisions, to plan for the future, to navigate economic complexities, and ultimately to shape a more prosperous world. It is the language of money, and learning to speak it fluently opens up a world of possibilities.